Hi, I'm Stu Clark, Research Director at TERRO, and today I'm really excited to show you our new TERRO Fire Ant Killer mound treatment. We're all spending a lot more time around our house, and that means in the yard, and you want to be in your yard and you don't want to be bitten up by fire ants. If you've been fighting fire ants at all, you know that step one is bait. You want to treat the entire yard. Step two is TERRO Fire Ant Killer mound treatment. And when you see a mound pop up, that's when you dust with TERRO Fire Ant Killer. It's odorless. It's a dust. The ants that come out quickly pick this up on their bodies. They quickly share it among the colony, and the colony collapses quickly. And that mound collapses quickly. It's waterproof. And the other nice thing is you don't have to water this in. So you don't have to disturb the mound. You simply dust the top of the mound and let the ants do the rest. Step away, and within a short period of time, you will get your yard back and you won't get eaten up by fire ants. TERRO Fire Ant Killer mound treatment. It works.